This video will cover the miscellaneous actions within the change management module of the Infraon Infinity Suite. Let's start with the change template. While creating a change, technicians have the option to select a template. By selecting this template, certain fields are automatically filled in by default. For instance, the change manager and impacted service will be pre-selected. It can also be noticed that the description and subject of the change are specified. The priority has been set to medium, the risk to low, and the type is standard. The change template is particularly useful for recurring changes, such as software patches or upgrades that need to be applied multiple times. By adding the required fields, technicians can readily submit the change. Now let's explore other actions that can be performed in this module. The first feature is the search option, which allows technicians to look up any specific change. Filters can also be added based on a particular search. Additionally, Infraon provides a duration filter to select changes from a specific number of days. On the top panel, there is a change schedule option, displaying the scheduled changes and any associated tasks. Within the change schedule, technicians can filter changes by their status, open, in progress, or on hold, and can also select by type and priority to see the status of those particular changes. Additionally, Infraon provides options for viewing these changes, including both grid view and panel view. Furthermore, there are extra action icons linked with the change, such as the deletion icon, allowing technicians to remove a change if necessary. Moreover, there's an attachment section provided for adding any required documents. To access communication pertaining to a specific change, technicians can utilize the communication option to observe the various modes of communication employed. To view the tasks associated with that change, technicians can easily navigate to the task section. Other available actions include the option to observe recent activities or interactions. Technicians can utilize these features to review past changes initiated by end users, and they also enable the viewing of the relationships associated with a specific change when necessary. Click on the Change ID to access comprehensive details of the change, including its status, priority, urgency, and affected service. If adjustments are necessary, technicians have the option to click on Edit to modify the source, due date, or any other relevant details, and subsequently save the alterations. Should a ticket need inclusion for this modification, it can be appended at this juncture. On the same page, technicians can also see the requester and the change implementer. There's also a communication section that details the emails, SMS, and comments specific to this change. Furthermore, Infraon includes a Relations tab enabling technicians to link related tickets, problems, changes, requests, and releases to the specific change at hand. This facilitates planning by determining the start and end dates of the plan, along with reasons for any alterations. It's crucial to assess whether a rollout plan is available, outlining the execution of changes, and to have a contingency rollback plan in case the changes fail to take effect as intended, ensuring the option to revert them if necessary. Infraon also offers a Task tab, available for technicians to input tasks that require completion. When the task entails software upgrades, it's essential to confirm the proper installation of the software. Technicians have the ability to include verification tasks for this purpose. Multiple tasks can be added and observed within the change schedule discussed earlier. In the event of a major change, there's an additional feature for managing risks associated with it. Infraon have an attachment section where technicians can upload any documents related to the change. This encompasses various categories for organizing documents, such as screenshots, text documents, etc., along with dedicated sections for descriptions accompanying each document. Furthermore, there is a knowledge base where technicians can view information related to this particular change. Infraon also includes an interaction page for monitoring recent activities. For example, when a user creates and subsequently closes a change, such as a server infrastructure replacement, it will be visible on this page. Technicians can also see other changes with different priorities and the recent interactions with the requester. There's a section to see all recent activities. If any changes has been made, technicians can check the status of the change respectively. Technicians can ascertain whether approvals have been granted, and any conducted validations and deployment verifications will be documented in the Recent Activity section, capturing all related changes and activities. Now, if switched to the grid view, technicians have the ability to view information in columns, such as the change subject, with additional actions located towards the end, including features like quick editing. Technicians can use this to quickly edit the priority and change manager of a specific change. There's also a detailed edit option, where technicians can see all the details, like the cluster, current design change manager, and what the next task is, as well as communications, relations, and recent activities. Additionally, there's the option to delete this change. These are the various actions that can be performed within this change section. This concludes the miscellaneous actions available in the change management of the Infraon Infinity Suite.